2018 Ford F150 with the 3.5 twin turbo EcoBoost engine. This is also the King Ranch edition. I don't know if the engine size or the addition are going to make any difference, but in today's video we're going to be replacing the key fob battery. This is a very simple and straightforward process. Let's get to it. First thing you're going to need is your key fob and your replacement battery. It is a 240/50. First thing you need to do is turn your fob over to the front face. This is the one with the buttons, and hidden right here is a button to remove your physical key from the key fob. Press that button down and remove your physical key. After your physical key has been removed, flip over your key fob and you'll see an indentation right here where you can stick a little flathead screwdriver. Stick your screwdriver here and twist. A little force to get it out, and now you have access to your battery. From your battery you'll see a small indentation right here where you can stick a small screwdriver. Squeeze that battery out and replace with your new battery. This thing is encased. I don't know why they need to make this difficult. This is going to be the majority of the video, me trying to get this stupid thing out of here. Once you finally get that battery freed, go ahead and stick it in so that your numbers are facing up. Your positive, that little plus symbol right there, make sure that is facing up. Tuck your cover back in place by sliding the upper portion in first and then pressing down until you hear clicks. Go ahead and squeeze all around to make sure that every piece is clicked back in, and then reinstall your physical key. And you're good to go. If this video helped you out, leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see y'all next time.